Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Goa police arrest one kidnapper at Kabderam after a fierce gun battle. Rescue the victim, one police constable injured in the firing. A Prudent Media exclusive. Tax on professionals, mining rejects. Entry fee in casinos increased to Rs 2,000. Entry toll for vehicles entering Goa. CM presents tax-heavy budget to tackle sixth pay burden. Donapala Vasco ceiling subsidy on modern farming equipments. Parallel breach on Zuari and establishment Vishwa Kokani Kendra. It's a budget with tax but with announcement too. Opposition reacts on additional budget by the government, says it's a casual exercise by the government. All illegal mines in the state will be closed, CM assures House.
Now the news in detail. Vasco police have arrested one accused in Vasco abduction case after a fierce gun battle. Victim Shayad Ayaz was abducted by some unknown persons from Chikle, Vasco on Thursday night. Vasco PI Sagar Ekoskar and one more police constable are reportedly injured after an accused opened fire on police. Search for three others is still on. A Prudent Media exclusive.
By some unknown persons from Chikle, Vasco. The family members, after receiving extortion call, lodged a complaint on Friday at Vasco police station. Abductors demanded 15 lakhs to release Ayaz from their custody. Shayad Ayaz is a resident of Chikle, Vasco. Vasco police later traced this call at Kabdiram in Kankon. Vasco police at around 11:30 am rushed to Kabdiram in search of Ayaz. As per the reports, when police traced the kidnappers, a gun battle took place in which one constable from Kankon was injured. Unconfirmed report says Vasco PI Sagar Ekoskar suffered minor injuries. After the gun battle, 3 kidnappers were arrested. Vasco police arrested one person from Assam, Pariket Dileshwar Handi. The raid and search will continue till remaining culprits are arrested. Madgaon police had started Nakabandi in and around Madgaon.
आमचे डोंगरावयल्यान धांवताले कोण धांवताले हे कोण येयले ते 5 जाण ते धांवताले ते धांवले आनी मागीर पुलिसां म्हणले आमी वाट दाखयता आमचे कडेन 2 कडेन ती जंक्शन आसा ती धरपा मेळटा नुवें आयले आनी नुवें चालू जाले ते लोक आत्तां क्रॉस जाले म्हणून लागले 4 जाण कोण 5 जाण येयले ते क्रॉस जाले तिच्यान हांव पुलिसांक घेवन परत खानागिनी येयलो खानागिनी येयले जाल्यार ते बी सांगूंक लागले आतां परत क्रॉस जाले म्हणटकीर आमी पुलिसां डायरेक्ट ओएनजीसी कडेन घेवन ह्या खणगणी एरियेक आमी सोदपा लायलो तांणी सोदपा लायलो ती एकटो मेळ्ळो तेंनी धरपाक आनी आतां सोदता ते सगळे.
A reporter from Bali, Ramesh Naik Raut with Samir Bhatt and Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
Chief Minister on Friday presented additional budget for 2008-2009. Government presented tax-heavy budget to tackle sixth pay burden. Professional tax are taxed, mining reject is taxed, entry fee to get into casinos is increased. Kamath has also proposed to construct Donapal to Vasco ceiling, new parallel Zuari bridge, subsidy on new modern farming equipments and establishment Vishwa Kokani Kendra.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath presented budget for the year 2009-2010 of 6,058 crore. Special announcements and new taxes have been proposed. Government has imposed tax on professionals. Slabs are as follows. Below Rs 10,000 is nil. From Rs 10,001 to 12,500 is Rs 150. From Rs 12,501 to Rs 15,000 is Rs 200. From Rs 15,001 to Rs 20,000 is Rs 250. From Rs 20,001 to Rs 25,000 is Rs 300. From Rs 25,001 and above is Rs 350. Tax proposals. Library cases are increased by 25 paise. Casino entry fee is also increased from Rs 2,000 to Rs 200. Mining reject is taxed at Rs 300 per ton. Infrastructure tax is double. Government has decided to levy tax on all vehicles except two-wheelers entering the state. Details are as follows. Light motor vehicle personal rupees 100 per entry. Light motor vehicle taxi rupees 150 per entry. Mini trucks and mini buses rupees 150 per entry. And heavy vehicles rupees 250 per entry. Special announcement in budget are Dona Paula Vasco Sea Link Bridge, New Zuari Bridge by 2011, 70% subsidy on modern farming equipments, Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi during disaster, establishing a Vishwa Kokani Kendra, Gomantak Vibhushan Award, 100 lakh for constructing footbridges, 615 crore to strengthen road and bridges, special VRS for government employees with special children, and financial assistance for traditional occupations.
My government proposes to provide 70% subsidy to the farmers for the purchase of modern equipments and machinery. I propose to grant rupees 15 lakhs to Kokani Bhasha Mandal for their activities and rupees 15 lakh to Vishwa Kokani Parishad for their contribution and propagation of the Kokani language, and also for establishing a Vishwa Kokani Kendra, which is the first of its kind in the country. My government intends to bring about a major reforms by introducing a single window clearance system for speedy disposal of application for setting up new units in the state. My government proposes to take up an ambitious project for the construction of a bridge across the Arabian Sea connecting Dona Paula and Vasco city, to be popularly known as Dona Paula Vasco Sea Link.
एक बऱ्यांतले बरें अंदाजपत्रक दिवपाचो हांवें प्रामाणीकपणान प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा आनी हो प्रयत्न करता आसतना इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर सोशियल सेक्टर हाजेर थस दिल्ली आसा. सेंट्रल जे आमकां येतालें शेअर ऑफ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचो तो ह्या खेपेक आमकां कमी जाल्लो आसा. म्हणजे जो आय एडमिटेड दॅट फॅक्ट, हांव तें लिपोवन दवरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो ना. हांवें स्किम्स काही सोशियल सेक्टरांक टच करपाचो प्रयत्न केला. जाल्यार मागीर आतां स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन आसा तांच्या पेरंट्सां खातीर जी गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स आसा तांचे खातीर VRS स्कीम दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. खंय तरी शेतकरी आधार निधी दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराच्या बाबतींत एक हालींच बॉम्बे कशी सी लिंक जाल्या त्या पद्दतीचो दोना पावल टू वास्को एक सी लिंक एस्टाब्लीश करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा.
सर, कॅसिनोचें जें गणीत आसा म्हळ्यार 200 वेल्यान 2000 व्हरपाचें, गोंयकार तुमी म्हणटात की डिस्करेज जातलो कॅसिनोचे वचपा खातीर, एट द सेम टायम तुमी तातूंतल्यान रेवेन्यू वाडोवपा पळयतात. ह्यो दोनी गजाली कशी जातल्यो?
ट्युरिस्ट जो भायलो येता हो मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर कॅसिनोचेर वता आनी तूं भायर पळयलें जाल्यार थंय दिसतलें बी, आनी पयशेकार गोंयकार वता. तांकां 2000 गेले किंवा 3000 गेले व्हडलोसो फरक पडटलो असो म्हाका दिसना. आनी फॉरेनर्स येतात आनी कोण येतात ते भितर वचपाचे ते वतलेच. ताजो व्हडलोसो परिणाम जावपाचो म्हाका दिसना. प्रोफेशनल टॅक्साच्या बाबतींत तूं उदळ म्हाका म्हणटालो की प्रोफेशनल टॅक्स बसयलो म्हणून लोक पितार जातले काय म्हणून. प्रोफेशनल टॅक्स हांवें परतें म्हटलां, म्हयने 10,000 जाचें उत्पन्न आहा ताका प्रोफेशनल टॅक्स ना. म्हणजे आय हॅव टेकन केअर ऑफ स्मॉल मॅन एंड द कॉमन मॅन.
सर, म्हजो लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुमकां, हाव वील यू डिस्क्रायब युअर बजेट इन अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट?
I will say it is a budget prepared keeping into the future of the state of Goa.
ह्या बजेटांतले 2-3 वाक्यां वापरता. ह्या बजेटान भरपूर पतंग उडयल्ले आसात, पण सगळ्यांक भितर जे अत्यंत जाचो BJP निशेध करता आनी हांव वी वील बी डिमांडिंग दॅट गव्हर्मेंट डज नॉट गो एड विथ इट, इज वॉट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोफेशनल टॅक्स. आनी हांव एक कित्याक रिजेक्ट कर म्हणटा, ताच्या आर्थीक हाजेरूच हांव सांगता रिजेक्ट कर म्हणून. ताजें कारण तांच्यांनी जो प्रोजेक्शन केला 65 कोटीचो, तो खंयच्या शाण्यान प्रोजेक्शन करून दिला तें म्हाका खबर ना. इन प्रिंसिपल आय वेलकम द डिक्लरेशन ऑफ constructing a sea link between Dona Paula and Vasco. I also welcome government decision to start charging 2,000 rupees per person on casino. At least some sense seems to have entered into the mind of the government, or maybe Chief Minister has realized what I was explaining him 4-5 days back, and I welcome it. But government should not consider that as an additional revenue mobilization mechanism, but should consider it as a preventive mechanism.
Let's take a short break. After the break, watch opposition demands stopping of illegal mining in the state. We will be right back.